How has your experience been at Ceramics Expo this year?
It's been awesome. I think every year, I think I came first time about 5 years ago, and I think it's grown quite a bit since that time because I don't remember as many aisles when I came last time. So I think every year it gets bigger. I think it's also a larger range of participation from, I think I see some academic people, a lot of industrial participation, so it's awesome.
And you're part of the conference this year, so what will you be discussing in your session?
So what I am here to talk about is the application of ceramics in the aerospace industry. The aerospace industry is one of the, as you probably know, is one of the highest tech industries in the world, and the use of ceramics is giving it a competitive advantage. I think it's a difficult problem to solve, but I think we have gone a long way in solving it.
And what exciting innovation is coming up next for the ceramics applications in the aerospace industry?
Yeah, that's really what the talk is about. But if you want to sort of think about it, that most planes nowadays need to fly higher, fly longer, and if it's a military plane, then they need to fly faster. And the hotter you get inside the engine, you can accomplish all those goals. And ceramics help the engine reach higher temperatures. So earlier on, we used to have just coatings of ceramics, which made the engine fly hotter, but we reached the limit of that. So now in the latest engines that GE is making, we are putting ceramic components in the engine itself, which makes it much harder. Interestingly, about 30 years ago, there was a conference down in Daytona where there was a discussion of would ceramics ever fly. And so the provocative title of that conference was, will pigs fly before ceramics can? You know, I'm happy to state that that's not true. I'm from Cincinnati, so if you don't know, we have a huge flying pig marathon. So that's the only flying pig around. Actually, ceramics are flying in engines. We have it in the single aisle engine now, currently flying in another year or so, the largest engine made in the world, which will be a GE 9X engine, will have several ceramic components in them. So there are a ton of applications. So the ceramics is the future for aerospace.